Welcome to our YouTube video. If you're new to online trading, you're in the right place. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our expert tips and insights. Things to understand as a beginner. Start by grasping the basics. Learn how markets work, key terms, and different trading strategies. Start with online trading brokers. Choose a reputable broker to begin your trading adventure. They provide essential tools and platforms. Invest as per your pocket size. It's crucial to manage risk. Start small, gradually increasing your investments as you gain experience. Select the right asset. Diversify wisely. Understand the assets you're trading: stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, or commodities. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power. Stay updated with market news and analysis. Continuous learning is key to success. Control emotions. Emotions can cloud judgment. Develop discipline to make rational decisions, whether it's a win or a loss. Make money. Online trading can be profitable. Stick to your strategy, manage risk, and stay patient. Stay invested. Consistency pays off. Keep learning, adapt to market changes, and watch your passive income grow over time.